Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the third or fourth time that I make this video because stuff has come up and it's just been a mess and things have been wrong and incorrect, so we're hopefully back on track. So here's what I want to cover today. So I got the Proxxon 250 lathe set up. It's trued up, it's working, everything seems to be great on it. I went to go thread a cap. I ordered some threading tools and I went to thread a cap, and the description said threading tools, but they weren't threading tools. But I got all that sorted, so I actually had a company send me some tools, and they said they were sending me threading tools, but again they sent me turning tools. But we're going to go through that, and then we're going to go through some stuff I got on clearance at Harbor Freight and some other stuff I got at Harbor Freight, plus some stuff my wife picked me up at the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. So we'll talk about that first. She found some nice wooden dowels, very small grain, so we'll find a use for those. You know, this is from the Dollar Tree, so 15 pieces, $1.25, not bad at all. Then I picked up these turning tools here. This lathe is huge. I do enjoy it though. It does do some things. So this should be a 60 and a 55. Yep, 60 and a 55. So I ordered correctly. So internal threading, external threading, 60 degree 8mm shank. This is 55 8mm inside, outside. So we should be good for the threading that I need to do here in the future. Man, these are nice. This is quality stuff here. So I have these. I'm going to put them back in here. So we got the turning tools. They'll come up in use on a future video. And then at Harbor Freight, I stopped off, went to the doctor, and I was like, you know what? I want to check out one of these Harbor Freights. And I went there, and they had some stuff on clearance that they're not going to sell there anymore, and just an incredible deal on it. But first, I got a 5-piece center drill set. It's got 3/64s, 5/64s, 7/64s, 1/8, and 3/16. So if you look at, I have the one I normally use is this one here, which is, this one is 1.2 millimeters. So it's the one I normally use. It's a little, probably the same size as the smaller one in there, but it's good to have center drills. I could probably chuck all of these in this lathe except for the two larger ones. So that is that. I brought out the brass rod because of a project for the the JENI 143 ship that is all scratch built, not for the Starfighter. Also, I got some other brass piping from Hobby Lobby with a coupon, so didn't get everything I cared for, but I got some of the stuff. I needed some 1/4-inch rod. They didn't have any 1/4-inch rod, so, but this should work. I scrapped the idea of a hydraulic cylinder with plastic because of the inconsistency in the shape of the plastic tubing. There was too much, it was outside of tolerance, and the way it's formed, it's not very true, so I'm going to switch to brass, and that will solve that issue. So back to the Harbor Freight. I got these two pieces, $5 each. Yes, they're open and the packages are beat up, but 5/16 lathes, that's 8mm. They'll fit in this 250 lathe. Like I said, the packages are destroyed, but these are drop forged steel with carbide tipped inserts. So we got a selection here of different shapes and turning purposes. So it's just the price and the fact they're not going to sell it anymore was just a good buy. in its own right. For $5, you can't get tools like that. And this was also $5. These are just straight up turning tools. So a very wide cutoff tool. So, and you know, you can do a little shaping on these because of the carbide, but mostly just use them as it is for general purpose stuff. So that's that. And then I found some 1/4 inch insert stuff on clearance. This is for the 150 lathe, little inserted things, and look, it has 3 sides on the inserts. We'll get more on that later. So I got that, and then I got these sent to me. So these are a bunch of different insert tools. Here's the extra inserts. Like I said, I filmed a video with them and I didn't care for it, so I'm redoing it. So these are the extra inserts. So look at what we got. Everyone comes with the tool and nice insert. So we got that bar. These are all 5/16 also. And we have that tool right there. I'm not going to get the use of these tools. It's been a day. I have a bit of a migraine today, so I am going to get this off my docket of things to do. So a nice turning tool. Oh, the reason I mentioned 3-sided inserts here, because these are all 2-sided inserts. And, you know, working in the machine shop most of my life, even when I was a kid, you always had 4 and 3-sided inserts, and now I see more and more of these 2-sided inserts. So it just feels like I'm getting gypped on a side, to be honest with you. So parting tool. So I don't expect a whole lot from these, but they'll work. They'll do what I need it to do. Work on what I need it to work on. So that's that. And then I picked up this for $1. This is a 6-inch utility caliper, both metric and imperial, but it's plastic. They're like, would you like to sign up to receive a lifetime warranty on this? It's 99 cents, people. I had a lifetime warranty on this, but not bad. Quick little millimeters. Not bad. So, and then I got a O-ring assortment, ranging from 1.9 ID to 2.8 OD to 3.5 ID to 47.4 millimeter OD. Let's take a look at this, because that seems, I'm thinking that's 35. See what we got here. Yeah, there we go. So, whole set of different O-rings for the purposes of making different things. So, yeah, so I never have to buy O-rings again in my entire lifetime. So it's done. I'm over it. I was getting them from my dad, and I needed more than the 2 he gave me, so I found those at Harbor Freight. We got a little frog for Grogu now. So when Grogu helps us, he has this little frog for his magic force. So he just sits out there, hangs on the lathe. So that's where I'm at on this stuff. For the Starfighter, let's see here. Oh, Dollar Tree. One more thing from the Dollar Tree. Some plastic clamps from the Dollar Tree. These are in the gardening area. Unfortunately, they need a little bit of modification, but they're still nice little clamps. They have a hole in a button part there, so I'm just gonna cut that off so I can use them. Some I'll keep on there, but you know, you're gonna glue up some plastic. It's a nice little set. $1.25 for all this from the Dollar Tree. They have great stuff. It's pretty good. Yeah, so hopefully on Monday, it's Saturday today, I'm going to get some primer on the Starfighter and then fill any other holes, and then I'm going to strip the primer off so I can glue on the detail and everything. So that is going to do it for this one. Thought there was more, but I'm assuming that's all. So thanks everyone for watching, and have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the Discord in the description, and the link to Proxxon Tools is also in the description. A fantastic company with fantastic tools. Have a good day.